Top 3 best pen tricks for school. Take the pen between your index finger and thumb as shown in the video. Make a slight movement with your hand forward, then back. When the pen has made a full turn around the thumb, you need to lower your thumb down.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Take the pen to slot to 3 as shown in the video. To set the pen inertia for rotation, you must straighten your fingers. When the pen has made half a turn, lower your index finger so that the pen falls into slot 1-2. Make a charge, then pick up the inertia and make a pass 1-2 to 3. Now we connect both stages together. Take the pen into slot 1-2 as shown in the video. Make a quick but smooth movement with your hand in the form of a half arc, while at this moment straighten your index finger. When the pen turns around the index finger, catch it in slot T1.
Turn us to